break. That's better. That's better. That's better. I like that. That's better. You know what I'm saying? The lower you stay, the better you're gonna be. Boom. Oh, I ain't got no cleats on, but I'm saying low. My technique. You know what I'm saying? Stick and go. Straight down here. Now, this one. Back home. Get down. You stand here. Inside. Inside. Now, you want to get this on. Knock me this way. Because he going to try to grab me. You got to keep me like this so you can keep an arm free. You always want to keep one of your arms free at the end. Especially like a D-line, D-end, wherever you at. If you outside, you want to engage, but you want to keep half your body free so that you can get out and make a play. You don't want to get engaged fully with it. You know what I'm saying? Cut that angle off. See, you're going to be coming like this. I got a drill on it for you. I'm showing you, getting ready for it. You right, that's your man right there. The quarterback going to be over there. I want to get here, cut my angle down. But I don't want to go too far in and give a contain. You know what I'm saying? I'm that guy. Just work on that boom, boom, and get round. Boom, boom, get round. Boom, boom, get round. Go! Get round. Good. Staying on that hip right there. Staying right there, just like you were doing. Just stay right there. Yeah. Stay right there. Round. Out of there. Get out of there. Get out of there. Get out of there. Good. There you go. There you go. There you go. Yeah, you get yourself. You go figure eight, snap round. Stand. Well, if I have my cleats on, I'd be way short. You know what I'm saying? Well, yeah, that's how I want you to be. I want you tight. I want you tight. 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 Round the cone. Speed. Round the cone. Speed. Set. Go. Speed. Yep, there you go. Yep, turn. Out of there you go. Good. Use your hand.
Well, he got it.
Hands will fall up too. Good. Back. Set. Go. Straight back. Straight back. Straight back. Right. Good. There you go. There you go. There you go. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I want you to do. You squared up the cone. You make a move. Your feet. I want your feet to buzz. You up to it just like a D lineman and receivers got releases too. The D lineman, you receiver releases both the time. Y'all do what receivers do with y'all hands, with y'all feet. Because y'all gotta make, look. A D lineman and an O lineman is basically like a receiver and a DB. Y'all just in the trenches. But what you gotta do? You gotta beat your man. So you gotta beat your man with power, speed, and quick. You know what I'm saying? Just like a receiver. If he trying to play me press, I'm gonna run him over sometimes. He trying to play me off, I'm gonna get him with my feet. He here, sometimes I beat him with speed. All right? Hit him. Buzz your feet. Boop, boop, inside move. Boop, boop, rip inside. Rip and go to this side, all right? Go! Beat him up, beat him up. Good, there you go. Good move. Just stand there, You come in, stand between it. Now I want y'all to look straight ahead. Y'all can see the cones?
No, sir.
Back up a little. Y'all can see the cones now?
Yes, sir.
Without even looking at them. Y'all can see the cones, right?
Yes, sir.
That's how you play the game. Peripheral vision, just around here. I want to keep my eyes, but guess what? If you at DB, you see a receiver. Come. I'm here. Take a quick peek. Boom. D-line. You can see everything, you keep your eyes up. Guess what? You can keep your head up. You might see a stunt come. You might see a pull coming at you. You might see something coming at you. But guess what? If your head down, you ain't going to see it coming. You got to play with your eyes. That's more important in football. You got to play with your eyes. Keep your head up. So I want y'all to do, matter of fact, start side by side. If we're going to slide that way, we just keep our eyes up. So just get a little gap in between. We're going to go at the same time. You start right there. You start in the middle. We're just going to slide that way. Just follow my hand. Go slow. No go. You ain't got to go fast. We don't worry about keeping your eyes up. Get low here. They know the play coming out the hook. You don't. So I'm going to have to be quick. So I got to get there. When he showed me a key, I'm going. There we go. Go. Same thing. Your eyes up. Your eyes up. Go. Up. 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 I like that. I like that. I like that. Turn them hips. That hip around. Just working this. Get around. Get around. Coming back down here. Coming back down here. Coming back down here. Quick turn and get there. Don't even worry about the hand. Worry about the waist now. Your waist. I can stand. There you go. Go! Get around. Snap. Good. Snap, good. Snap that way, get round, good. Snap and turn. Ball. That's what I want you to do. Next time coming back, you just break that ball. Stay square, stay tight to the cone. Tight to the cone. You're going around the ball. Tight to the cone. On your toes, not your heels. On your toes. Go! Back, square, up. Back, break! Ah, good. Use some hands, though. Hands on your leg. This is what I want you to do. I'm gonna go upfield. You just keep getting back. What I'm gonna do, I want you to do this. And rip through and finish. Grab and pull. Grab and pull. Yeah, grab and pull. But it's got to be out here. You saying turn around? It's got to be closer to out here though. You don't want to try to grab him over here, guess what? He still got the hand right there. You know what I'm saying? When I want to get him, stay right there. Get back, I want you to get back like a line. I want to snap, here we go. Set, go. Go, out. All right, first thing we're gonna do, I'm gonna whoop. Put him back down on your toes, here we go. Set. Let's go. Out. Good, react, good. There you go. He's defending. I don't care who you put out here, coach. You feel me? I don't care who you put in front of me, coach. I'm finna eat. Let's go. Last one. Sit. Let's go. Switch. Take out. Good.